I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting by removing the old grip now. Slide a razor or use compressed air to break the bond and peel the grip off. This preserves the throttle tube. Once removed, you must clean the bar with alcohol so new adhesive bonds properly. Make sure to inspect the throttle tube and bar ends for cracks or burrs. If you skip that, you'll trap a future failure. Work deliberately but quickly to keep solvent from pooling and to maintain grip surfaces ready for installation. You now test fit the new grip to find correct rotation and switch clearance. This prevents throttle binding later. Once positioned, apply a thin coat of grip adhesive, hairspray, or isopropyl alcohol. Remember, glue sets, hairspray gives working time, so choose based on your comfort. Make sure not to flood inside the throttle tube because that causes sticking. Slide the grip on in one smooth motion while rotating slightly to seat it, and align the ribbing or logos with your lever and switch housing. You finish by securing and verifying fit. Let the adhesive cure for the recommended time, often 10 to 30 minutes, so the grip won't slip under load. Once cured, check throttle free play and confirm it snaps closed quickly. Make sure kill switch and controls are unobstructed. If you detect binding or sticky return, don't ride. Remove the grip, clean surfaces thoroughly, and reassemble using less adhesive or a light, compatible lubricant inside the tube. This single troubleshooting step prevents dangerous throttle hang.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.